wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best wheeled duffels. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Olympia Luggage 8 pocket is made from Protect-Flon, which sounds poisonous, but is actually a supremely strong form of polyester. Its self-repairing zippers ensure a long life spent freely opening and closing your bag without snags or tears. It's equipped with a hideaway pull handle and is spacious for its size. However, it balances poorly when upright. At number 9, the High Sierra AT7 has a reflective piping for nighttime safety and is effortless to maneuver despite its bulk. That's because it can be carried by a handle, pulled along on its wheels, or slung over your back using its backpack straps. It comes with a zippered divider panel and stands up to regular use well, but it is heavier than many other options. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the World Traveler Rolling Carry-On comes in patterns ranging from zigzags and leopard spots to owls and kisses, all of which are destined to make an impression. It has a chic designer shape and a wide U-shaped opening that provides total easy access. It features 2 full-length exterior pockets and silver pewter buckles and zippers. However, its shoulder strap isn't very strong. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wheeled duffels, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the High Sierra Evolution features a U-shaped opening that makes it simple to insert and remove large items, and multiple compartments so that you can keep everything organized. Its telescoping handle is safely hidden in a zippered pocket when not in use. Its oversized zippers are easy to grasp, and this one's a drop-bottom design, but it isn't the most durable option. Moving up our list to number 6, the Timberland Twin Mountain looks great and travels well, basically everything you want in a piece of luggage. It features 4 strategically placed grab handles that make it hassle-free to lift from almost any angle, and 2 compression straps. It's equipped with convenient self-righting zippers and is lightweight yet very sturdy. However, it's available only in 2 similar colors. Halfway up our list at number 5, the travelpro tpro Bold 2.0 can hold many weeks' worth of gear and has a water-repellent coating. It's also highly abrasion-resistant, making it ideal for those extended trips where the bag will be jostled and tossed around a lot. It comes with smooth rolling wheels, well-cushioned handles, and a lifetime warranty. At number 4, despite the name, the Code Alpha Mini Monster isn't that mini, so if you travel heavy, this is a good choice. Military buffs will appreciate that it comes in multiple camo styles, while those who like to keep everything organized will appreciate the divided interior. It boasts a zip-off toiletries bag, a rugged exterior fabric, and a water-resistant construction. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, look classy as you travel through airports and train stations with the Leathario Weekender. It's made from 100% genuine leather, comes in tan or burgundy, and has a nice retro styling that anybody would be proud to show off. This one's ideal for work trips and features attractive brass hardware and separate top and bottom compartments. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wheeled duffels, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, surprisingly affordable considering that it comes from one of the most well-known names in luggage, the samsonite andante has a sturdy polyester exterior and a nylon lining that effectively withstands tears and rips, so feel free to overpack it as much as you want. It comes with a large opening for easy access and fits in most overhead bins. It's well balanced even when full. And taking the top spot on our list, the ebags TLS Mother Load Mini is compact yet seems roomy when packing due to the expansion zipper that adds 22.3% more space, so you can feel free to stock up on souvenirs without worrying about everything fitting for your journey home. It features highly reflective cords, lockable zippers, and a telescoping handle that offers 3 heights. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wheeled duffels, or simply click beneath this video.